Hello, so today we're going to do a bookmark for a composition book. I'm just quickly sewing up a little tube to make my bookmark itself. I'm going to sew down and across and back up. A little bit of ASMR in the background for you so you can listen to it. I just find it so much fun to do creative little things with bits and pieces of fabric. Now I'm going to sew it directly to the composition book. If you want to try this, just make sure you have a good needle on your machine and go slowly. You don't want to break a needle doing this. And what I'm sewing through is just the cardboard on the composition book. 2 layers of fabric and a layer of heat and bond. Plus, of course, the bookmark. But it sews on pretty quickly. Just takes a few seconds to do. There it is sewn to the back. How I use it in the book. And there's the full book for you to enjoy.